how to create service purchase order in Businet. Users can create service purchase order using add button for all the service items against source types, such as direct and purchase requisition. In case users are creating the document using source type direct, they need to select the required supplier and items. Further, users will enter the required quantities and prices along with the provision of item-wise tax exemption and manual tax calculation option. Moreover, the delivery schedule can be defined item-wise along with terms and conditions. After document is approved, users can fetch the PDF of the same document and email the respective service purchase order to the supplier from Businet itself. On the list page, users can also track their respective service purchase orders, which will help them to timely manage their requirements and be updated at each stage. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.